Ay, yung pila namin dito. Kasi ikot, tapos babalik tayo pag ganito. Ganda. Tapos punta doon na pag ganun. Tignan muna natin.
Ang taas na ganda.
Anin muna natin. Ay, wala pang tumarang. Ha? Dito ganda dito. Itong ano, sentro. Ayan.
Naanulula lang pag gano'n.
Yan, baka umano yung vertigo ko. Oo. Ay, hindi. Alam ko na kung paano gawin ganda.
Oo, si Ate rin di ba gano'n?
Oo. Pag umano yung vertigo, igaganon mo lang, twist mo lang ng mabilis yung ulo mo.
Oy,
Oo. Naalis.
Hey, put it!
Ha?
Wait for you! Tapos balik na tayo.
Oo.
Kind of like a
Mahaba ng mga pila. Ay, naku, ang haba. Oo. Nakarin muna natin. Maglakad muna tayo. Oo. Yan, ito ang Haunted Mansion. Ito yung ginawa ng aking dati kong boss na asawa ni Momo Atencio, si ex Atencio. Kasi legend siya dito sa Disneyland. Ang aking pangatlong boss. Nagtrabaho ako sa kanya ng 5 years. Ayan, siyang nag-ano yan, siyang nag-design,
Voice over, voice over.
siya ang boses niya rin yan. Lahat.
Yeah. She wants that one. Hindi naman kunan yung gate.
Hindi na.
No, I think
Kailangan maano ka talaga rito sa lakad. Kasi kung hindi, walang mangyayari. Hindi mo maiikot ito. Eh kami ni Michelle, okay kami sa lakad. Walang problema yung mga paa namin sa lakad.
good. Thank you. फोटो लिखे तो
Ang dami pa din yung sumasakit.
Ay, ayaw ko yan. Nakakahilo yan. Ah, okay.
All in one for facing forward, please. Thank you.
Ito naman, nakakahilo to. Ayaw. Ayaw yan. Nakakahilo yan. Ha? Dito ganda. Ay, ayun, ganda yung sinasabi ko. Ayun, yun o, yun o. Yun o, puntahan na natin yun. Doon na tayo. Nandito na rin lang tayo. Ayun, doon. Pipila kami doon. Doon sa maganda.
But you can't get those types of waters from restaurants. The closest one is just Pasta Carousel, not nearby. But these are $4.75.
How much?
475.
$4.75.
It's the same as soda?
Yeah.
Okay, can I get Coke first? Coke?
Ang mahal ng ano dito, ayan,
The sodas are
475 yan.
$5.25.
Okay? Halika. Ayan, dito kami pupunta. Ayan, yan. Sige, yung magandang ano na yan. Marami kayong makikita dito sa loob. Kahit mahaba ang pila, talagang pipilahan namin ito. Ay, oh. Ganda oh.
Look at the water though.
Oh. Oo. Saan ang pila? Ganda. Doon ba ang pila? Ayan. Oo. Kailangan kumanta tayo.
Safety, please remain seated. Keep all those hands, arms, fingers, and legs inside the boat and not in the water. And if you have any little ones, please supervise them. We wouldn't want any unexpected chapters on today's story. And with that being said, friends, like most stories, you'd have to flip through pages of a book to be transported to different worlds and meet new friends. But those lucky enough to visit a person like yourself today, with the help of a little bit of pixie dust magic, it might seem like we're going through the mouth of Monster the Whale. But I promise you, friends, it's just another way I'd like to get to a place called Storybookland.
Ganda.
And off to our left-hand side, friends, we have the cave of the Big Bad Wolf, who is always after those three little pigs. Off to our right-hand side, one has a house made out of straw, one made out of sticks, and one made entirely out of 100% wolf-proof guaranteed bricks. And as we turn the corners to the hand side, we have a story that gets stranger and stranger every single time I tell it. Where one golden afternoon, Alice followed the white rabbit all the way down the rabbit hole and led all the way to Wonderland, where things only got curiouser and curiouser from there. And off to our right, we have London Park, to where Peter Pan took the darling children with the help of Tinkerbell, of course, and flew them all the way to Neverland, where things only got better and better from there, since the children never ever had to grow up. And friends, love is a very powerful thing. No matter if you're from two different worlds like Aladdin and Jasmine, who now live here happily ever after in the beautiful Sultan's Palace in the land of mystery called Agrabah. And right about now, friends, we're traveling through the twinkling archways, the same exact archways that Aladdin and Jasmine flew up, under, and around on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world. And friends, like some stories, they have their light side and they also have a bit of a dark side, but don't worry, friends, we're just going to travel through the Cave of Wonders. Legend has it, whoever frees the genie from the lamp will be granted 3 free wishes. Let's close our eyes today, make a wish, and see if it'll come true. And as we exit out of the Cave of Wonders, friends, coming up to our very right-hand side, we have the cozy cottage of the 7 dwarfs. where Snow White was seeking shelter away from the evil witch. Thankfully, due to her kind soul, they did just that. And if you listen close enough, you can even hear them sing their tunes as they fly away. And across to our left, we have the Blue Chateau. This is the story of a girl named Cinderella, of course. A girl who simply just wanted to go to that ball up there in that very pink castle off to our left. Unfortunately, Cinderella's wish was denied by her evil stepmother, but thankfully Cinderella's wish was granted by her blue fairy godmother. But as the clock struck, and off to our left-hand side, friends, we have the beautiful flower beds inspired by the Walt Disney 1933 classic, to be exact, Silly Symphony of Lullaby Land. And yes, friends, there's magic everywhere here at Storybook. Off to our right-hand side, I bet you notice the trees appear just a little small in size. That is because every morning here at Storybook, our friend Tinkerbell sprinkles just a little bit of her pixie dust magic, so the trees and the plants never ever have to grow up. Himself of Toad Hall. But friends, it seems like yet again Mr. Toad is not home right about now. He's probably on some wacky adventure up in Disneyland, but don't worry, friends, I'll let him know to stop by to say hello. And as we turn to our left, friends, we have Arendelle, home to Anna and Elsa and her frozen friends, but they discovered something more powerful than Elsa's magic, and that is love, and of course, friendship. And as we turn to our right-hand side, friends, we have the home of Geppetto the Woodcarver, who simply wished upon a star for his Pinocchio to become a real boy, of course. Thankfully, Geppetto's one very special wish was granted by none other than the Blue Fairy, of course. And now, friends, like all good stories, they all have to come to an end at some point. Wanted to get her land legs to be with Prince Eric and part of our human world. And of course, Ariel's story started off on our left, the entrance to the city of Atlantica. And now, friends, as we close yet another chapter here at Storybook, please remain seated. Keep all those hands, arms, and
Oh, beanie, beanie, just touch my body. Don't need nobody